Hello friends, this is Bharat in front of you all, and today I am going to teach you a very important tense, and its name is present perfect continuous tense. So first of all I want to tell you the recognitions of it, due to which you can identify this easily. So its recognition is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, plus time. It is so important, the time is there. रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं are also the recognitions of present continuous tense. If you will not add time here, then it would be present continuous tense. So suppose you are asking any sentence to your friend to convert it into English, then of present perfect continuous, then don't forget to add time there. If you will ask वह 4 बजे से पढ़ रहा है, then it is not present perfect continuous, it is present continuous. You will have to add 4 बजे, वह 4 बजे से पढ़ रहा है. Okay, so have you got it? Time is so important there.
Okay, yes.
So now let's come to formula. So if you have got its recognitions, then come to formula. Its formula is subject plus either have or has plus been plus ing in verb plus object plus since or for plus time. And don't forget the since and for also have come due to the time. And many sentences and many tense end with object, but it's not here. The present perfect continuous tense ends with since and for or time. Okay, so I am repeating again that its formula is subject plus either have or has plus been plus ing in verb plus object plus either since or for plus time. So it was formula. Okay, so now let's come to its examples, due to which you can convert it into English very easily. So वह 4 बजे से पढ़ रहा है. So what can you tell me that what is subject here? Here subject is वह, and what do we call वह in English? He. And I forgot to tell you that has or has, where do we use has or where do we use have? We use have in the plural things. Okay, and has in the singular subjects. And one thing also there, I want to tell you where do we use for or where do we use since. So first of all take the example of घंटे. वह 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है, 1 घंटे, 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे. These are the countable things. So we will use for here. If we will replace 1 बजे, 2 बजे, 3 बजे there, then we will use since there, because it is a specified thing कि 1 बजे, we don't know which 1 बजे is there and which 2 बजे is there. Okay, so due to it we will use since, and in 1 घंटे, 2 घंटे we will use for. And we can take the example of days also. 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन are countable things, then we will use for. Or if there would be any name of days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then it is a specified Monday. So we will use since here. And we can take the example of years also. 1 साल से, 2 साल से वह आगरा में 10 साल से रह रहे हैं, वे 10 साल से आगरा में रह रहे हैं. So we will use for here. I will tell you after it. Okay. And वह 1990 से रह रहे हैं, वह 2000 से रह रहे हैं, then it is specified that 2000 is a specified. So we will use since here. So I hope you understood that the use of for or since. Okay. So now let's come to example again. वह 4 बजे से पढ़ रहा है. He has been. I told you that has is used in singular subjects. He has been studying for. No, I forgot one thing. We will not use for here. Many students get confused in this case. वह 4 बजे, so we will use since here. He has been studying since 4 o'clock because it is specified. Okay, and the another example is for. Okay, वे 10 साल से आगरा में रह रहे हैं. So is it countable or not?
Countable.
Yes, it is countable. वे 10 साल से आगरा में रह रहे हैं. They have been. Have, we used have because of वे. वे is plural, and they have been living in Agra for 10 years, because we can count 10 years, 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so let's come to negative. And now what will be include in negative sentences? We will include we use have been, has been, so we will include not between has or been and have or been. So let's make it. वह सोमवार से ट्यूशन नहीं जा रहा है. He has not been. I told you we can include not between has or been. He has not been going to tuition since Monday, because it is specified. If 2 days were there, then we would use he has not been going to tuition for 2 days, because 2 days are countable. So now let's come to interrogative, and it is so important. क्या वह 1 घंटे से खेल रहा है? So it is same as present indefinite tense. We will use helping verb first. Okay, has he been playing for 1 hour? Here we will put subject between has or been, or have or been. If there would be kya way, then we will make it have. We will use have. Have they been playing for 1 hour? So have you got it, that what do we do in interrogative sentences? We put he between helping verbs and been. Okay, now it is interrogative negative. In this what happens, the question word also comes in the sentence, and the negative word means not also comes. क्या वह बहुत देर से अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है? नहीं और क्या. So क्या क्या is what, and it is a what should I say? It is interrogative word. Okay, and nahi not. So we will convert it. In this also we will put helping verb first. क्या वह बहुत देर से अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है? Has he not been doing his work for a long time? And we can convert it like this also. Has not he been doing his work for a long time? Both ways are correct, and which you like, you can use that. Okay, so I have finished till interrogative negative. Have you got it?
Yes.
So now come to WH family. In do you know that what is WH family? It is a family of words which starts from WH. Why, how, what, like this. Okay, so वह कब से अंग्रेजी सीख रही है, and when is also there. It is also starting by W or H. Okay, वह कब से अंग्रेजी सीख रही है. So there is a exception also there. Exception means अपवाद, जो रूल को फॉलो नहीं करता लेकिन फिर भी माना जाता है. वह कब से अंग्रेजी सीख रही है. Since when has she been learning English? So it is a rule, we will use since when in a first, and in the WH family definitely we use the question word in the beginning of sentence, but since is also there, so we will use for how long also we can use, or since when also. Since when has she been learning English, or for how long has she been learning English. Here also both the ways are correct. हम कल से कितनी किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं और कितना पानी. So what is the difference here? कितनी किताबें are countable and कितना पानी is uncountable. So uncountable's meaning is how much and countable is how many. हम कल से कितनी किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं. How many books have we been learning? How many books have we been learning since yesterday? We will not use here for, because इट इज नॉट वन डे कि हम एक दिन से कितनी पढ़ रहे हैं, इट इज कल से कितनी किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं. एंड हेयर ऑल्सो कल इज देयर, वी विल यूज सिंस हेयर. एंड हाउ मच, वे कल से कितना पानी पी रहे हैं, वी विल यूज हाउ मच हेयर. हाउ मच वाटर हैव दे बीन ड्रिंकिंग सिंस yesterday. So friends, it all was about present perfect continuous tense, and I hope you that you have understood it. And don't forget one thing, that time is there and it is so important. Don't forget the use of since or for. Many students get confused in this case, so thank you for listening to me carefully.